Greetings, this is Max So Diddly here, and today I am here with another C# tutorial to help you get an A in your coursework or exam. And today we're here with validating the file type of a file using C#. So you've got an application. It allows the user to upload a profile picture. You want to make sure they upload only PNGs and JPEG files. How do you do that? Well, you can validate the file type of the file the user is dragging and dropping into your program to make their profile picture look awesome. And I'm going to teach you how you can do that. Now, a little disclaimer, we're going to be getting the file type from the extension of the file. And there are many ways you can get around this. For instance, you can have a file extension in the file name that doesn't match the file type of a file. This can bypass it, and in the future I'll be doing another tutorial on how to validate files using a different technique, which involves looking at the file itself and reading part of it. But for now, this is a simple bit of code to help idiot-proof your software. Let's say someone drags and drops the wrong image, or the wrong file. It's the type of thing that might catch that out, as opposed to stopping a malicious actor from trying to break your system. Just bear that in mind, this is going to be good enough for your coursework. So let's get into it. We have got using system and system.io. Make sure you import them. In our main, we have string file path equals mean profile pic.png, string type equals .png. That's what we're going to be searching for. We can then do console.writeLine is valid file, file path and type, then read key to stop the application from closing. So we're going to be printing out a true or false depends on if the file is valid or not. And we pass in file path, which is the file path, and type, which is the data type, or the file type I should say. Let's get into defining the function. Public static bool, it's going to return a boolean, which is a true or a false. Then we do is valid file, string file path, string desired type. The file path we're going to validate, and the desired type, which is the file type that we want. And all we have to do, we only need to do this. So we can do if file does not exist, file path, return false. This is kind of optional. You could have a try catch statement instead, but I'd rather just do this. We are checking if the file doesn't exist. If it doesn't exist, return a false, because you can't validate a file type of a file that doesn't exist. Like, I'm imagining someone using this code on a upload button after someone's specified a file path, and we want to make sure that file exists before we attempt to even validate it. You don't need this though, your program might not need this, but it's there for those who want it. Then we can do return path.getExtension file path equals desired type. So path.getExtension is literally going to get the extension from the file path that we provide. In this case, it would get .png from meanprofilepic.png. And obviously in the brackets we specified the file path of the file we want to get the extension from, and then we do double equals desired type. We're checking if it's equal to the desired file type. And that's it for this tutorial. A lot simpler than what we have to do for Java, that's for sure. So save your work, and if you're in Visual Studio, you can right click on your project, you can go to Open in File Explorer, to open the project in your File Explorer, then go into your folder, go to bin, debug, and this is going to be where your code is going to execute. So if you want to have any files that are relative to wherever your program is, this is where you do it when you are testing it in Visual Studio. This will be different for other IDEs, and you can change the file path obviously. We have got a mean profile picture. It is a PNG file. Let's run our code and see what happens. And it prints true because it's a PNG file. That's amazing. Let's change this to .txt and see what happens. It's false because meanprofilepic.png is not a text file, it's a PNG. Now let's change that to PNG, but do meanprofilepic2. This file doesn't exist. We've only got meanprofilepic, not meanprofilepic2. So we're going to save our work and hit play. And it returns a false because the file doesn't even exist, so we're not even going to bother checking the extension because it doesn't exist. But obviously, the file path that doesn't exist does have the correct type in it, just proving that this code works. So, thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like and a comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe if you want to see more C# tutorials. Adios.